In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this ACT math question easily and fast using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator. Alright guys, so this question is under long division of polynomial and is very easy using the TI-84 plus calculator to solve it. So the question says simplify this expression for all x not equals to -3. So we are going to store a number, and before we store, let's firstly we set the calculator to put it in default mode. So to reset, press second button, this plus button, go for option 7, press 1 and press 2, and it resets our RAM. Alright, we are good to go. Press this clear button. Now we're going to work with 2. Let's start 2 guys on the calculator. I highly recommend 2. So to start to press 2, press the stop button. We want to store 2 as x. This is the x button. Then press enter button and 2 will be stored as indicated. So we're good to go. Let's use this stored value now to simplify this long division of polynomial we have here. So it's in fraction. To bring out the fraction button, press alpha and window button. Alright. So look at fraction. Go for option 1. So we have 4x squared, alright, plus 11x. Okay, we have minus 3, alright, over x plus 3. So that's it. Let's press enter now to see the output. 7. So right now we are going to simplify the options. Anyone that gives us 7 will be the answer to this question. So guys, basically looking at the options, the correct option will be option E, which is 4x minus 1. Alright, because when you plug into here in this 4x, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 minus 1 give you 7. But let's do it. 4x minus 1 will give you 7. So the correct option is option E. This is basically how you can deal with this kind of problem using the TI-84 plus NP calculator. Hope there's something interesting from this video. Let's go to the video guys. If you are new to my channel, ensure that you are subscribed to my channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of my videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions as regarding what I've explained in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Alright, don't forget to reset the calculator once you're done. Just press second button, this plus button, go for option 7, press 1 and press 2. So that's it. Now click on the screen above and I see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.